Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Flag, and I'm going to record a short video that relates to Essay 1. We're going to start analyzing another student essay, and then we will continue this analysis in our next class. So take a look. This is a page in week 3. It's called Student Sample 2 Essay 1. And I'm asking you to read the essay and also read my comments at the top of the page and then answer some questions, okay? So like I said, we'll do some of this in class next time. First, I asked this question: where could the writer add more ideas in the body paragraphs? And then the second two questions are about the introduction. How does the writer begin her essay? What ideas does she include in the introduction? And notice that she has some verb tense errors in the introduction paragraph. Okay? Okay, here are my comments. This is a good essay. It's well organized, logically developed, but the writer needs to develop each body paragraph more fully. Okay, in other words, include more ideas in the body paragraphs. Okay, Essay 1. Childhood memories are the most significant remembrances in a person's life. I was born and grew up in the city of Safwa on the east coast of Saudi Arabia in the Middle East. My childhood neighborhood had magnificent relationships between the neighbors, which makes everybody know the other neighbors. I spent my childhood in a very lovely neighborhood for 3 obvious reasons. It was safe, it has shops, and I have very delightful and gracious neighbors. Okay, so that's the first paragraph, and you can see the writer's thesis statement right here. There are 3 reasons why she thinks this neighborhood was good. Okay, and your assignment is to write about the effects of the neighborhood on children, but it's kind of the same assignment. You could write about the reasons why a neighborhood has good effect on children. Okay, let's look at the first body paragraph. First of all, notice that it's very short. Okay, so this is what I'm commenting to the student about. You need to develop your body paragraphs more fully. To start with, my childhood neighborhood was safe and peaceful. I did not see any crimes there or any gun shootings. Also, we could stay out late at night without fear or panic. I remember when I was 7 years old, my cousins and I were playing in the front yard of my house. Then we decided to go to the grocery shop, which was close to my house. It was 11:30 p.m. We went to the grocery without telling our mothers, and we went back to my house, and nothing happened to us because my neighborhood was safe. Okay, so go back to the thesis statement. This is the writer's first point. It was safe. So this paragraph is also talking about my childhood neighborhood was safe and peaceful. So that's great. Okay, but I'm advising the student that she hasn't written enough about this idea of safe. Remember I told you that how many ideas do you need to put, how many supporting ideas do you need to put in one body paragraph? Well, the minimum is 2, okay? And for each of these ideas, you need to have more than one sentence. You can't just throw the idea out there and move on to another one. You need to explain a little bit, okay? Okay, so she has this general, 2 general sentences. I didn't see any crimes there or any gun shootings. We could stay out late without fear, okay? And then she includes an example, a detailed example. When I was 7, we went to the grocery store. We didn't tell our mothers and nothing happened, okay? So look at all these sentences. They tell about that one example. Okay, so the problem is this is not enough. The writer needs one more example, okay? So maybe another time when, I don't know, she Do you remember the first student essay that we looked at? The writer said, one day I forgot my keys and I went home and I didn't have the keys, so I went to my neighbor's house, Aunt Luba, okay? And I stayed with her till my parents got home from work. Maybe something like that would work here too, because that would also show safety, wouldn't it? Anyway, there needs to be one more supporting point in this paragraph, okay? So this paragraph is too short. Anyway, we are going to work on this next time in class, but for now I wanted you to think about this before you write your own essay 1. Okay? Thanks.